Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Miss Bongiwe Kumalo. If you are new here, welcome to this confused family, and please do things that makes the part to be done, which is subscribe, share and comment. If you're already part of this confused family, welcome back. I'm sorry, let me start there. I'm sorry I didn't introduce myself kule video eseqaleni. I'm new into this YouTube thing, so sizofunda sonke. Please bear with me and please comment if there's something that you want me to improve on. Feel free to comment. Feel free to comment so that sizokhulisana sonke. Part two of me moving in. So today, before I continue with moving in, I have to Courier impahla zasekhaya before nje siqale ngosuku. So ngizovuka, ngigeze, make breakfast, ngindlule, then bese ziyakhala. These are the things that I will courier to home, which is my kids' books, clothes, especially school clothes. Yeah. Ngenze njena-ke guys almost all the time. Ngithenga ngapha eBlom, then ngiyipose uma sengihamba ngekhaya ngihambe nazo. So ngoba impahla zasebusika ziningi and ngithengele wonke umuntu yabo. Not everything, but yeah. Ngibale wonke umuntu. So kuzoba umthwalo for mina mase ngivala ngihambe neimpahla engaka. So azihambe kuqala then and khona ezinye engiyazi ukuthi ngisazozithenga because when you are a mother you just keep buying, you don't know when to stop. Into nje engayazi ukuthi I wonder if zizobanela mazibanela zizobanela kanjani because kade ngabagcina and ekhaya banayo phone shoot high. So I don't get to see my kids. Ukuthi sebengakanani. But bafishane. So ngihlale ngithenga osize abakhulu neminyaka yabo. Yabo? And kuyasiza a lot lokho. Yeah, let's just hope ziyabanela, especially the shoes. So that ngizosheshe ngilibuy impahla za December, especially amateki because of abafana. Yeah. So let's ngizosheshe ngilibuy impahla za December. Mara lesikhoba sami ngathi sikhulu. And one bag I'm sure won't be enough. Kuzophuma nje olaja bayithula. Oh, and I also bought some books. Ukuthi practice maths, English. It's for grade 1, grade R, yabo life skills. Yeah. Since umuntu ewumisi, so ukufunda endlini kubalekile kakhulu for kids. So yeah. Guys, forgive the background music and I'll see him udlala erumini lokuqala la emafletini ethu erumini lokuqala. So ama walls ethu they are very very thin. You literally can hear everything abayenzayo next door. Nami bayangizwa yonke into engiyenzayo, nami ngiyabezwa yonke into abayenzayo. Do you see how loud is the music? Yes. Anyways, I'm done. Let me switch off my TV. Then yeah, I'm leaving. This is me and my mpahlas walking to Kenworth Center, where there's perp. We're gonna take a short left, then a short right, then a short left, then we are with we are turning in this corner, then we are here. So we are here. This is our Kenworth Center. As na home office. Yabona building le home office. Ukushada nje ulula kabi for me. Ngafika ke ePep ngamangala indawo kaSister, and then apparently network ayikho, so I had to go near ePep sale. Then yep, this is me going to Pep sale. Nango home affairs guys. Ngiseduze kwase home affairs. Nje indaba yokushada ilula kabi. Faka nje nepijama negown kusayini nje iphela into exoxisayo. Bona nje. Hey. Okay, so this is Kenworth Center. We have it doesn't matter. Obalulekile nje uSpar no KFC. So sengise Paxi. So yeah. Lo bhuti nosami uyabona nje ukuthi ngiyarecord. Uyabona. Nginhliziyo yazi bengicula ibingoma. Bom 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 bom. Okay, it's my turn. So they gave me 2 large bags. Njengoba bengishilo nje ukuthi angeke aze anele shembi bag one. So they gave me 2 large bags. Sengipakishile, separated impahla zami, and this lady was kind enough to assist me savala the first bag and the second bag. Yeah. Then ngingena eSpar. Angazi ukuthi ngiyapha eSpar cause ngisuke endlini ngiye ePep ngiyoCourier. Ukuthi eSpar ngofunani angazi ngoba umuntu nje angeke akwazi ukudlula nje andlule nje angangenanga. Oh my gosh, I have such a bad habit. So ngizongena, I think I need some few things, I think. Because vele mongene shop angeke uhlale ungadingi something even though ungayidingi for the fact ukuthi ungenile uzoyidinga. So I have bananas and steady rand. It's cheap, boss. That is also on the radio, guys. Espa they make sure especially on Sundays. So ngiyahala la ngazi ukuthi ngifunani ngoba ngikhathe off ushukela. Girl, please live, do what's best for you. Yes, good boy, good girl. I mean. So this lady was asking me for 14 rand ufuna ukuqabela taxi, and to be honest bengingina cash, and then after that I felt very very bad because angisiye lo muntu loyo, yazi angisiye lo muntu loyo mina. Ngahetheka ke kwandlula because bengenawo cash, and yeah, ngifike ngahle kahle ngizoyenza into eyi1, the next thing sengingena la ngafanele ngene khona. But anyways, ngiyaqala ukuyibona le brand, so I decided to check up ukuthi okay banani, and yeah. siya kule party ke where the securities check and don't check the items you bought. I don't know, they're supposed to count and then compare with the sleep, but they don't do that. They actually just take a look and then sign the sleep. See?
Well, it is.
This is me leaving Kenworth.
10 minutes later.
Hey, we are sorry to make it happen, Wami. I see Zamile, man. It's all we did the things that makes the pot to be done. Okay, so clean the fridge and I have to remove this. And also I need a glue. So taking glue is a use which it's in there. Then yeah, it's about to work. Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna miss my space. I'm gonna miss my space. Okay. Yeah, ngathi ice selibohlile kancane. Then take. Okay. I think I'm gonna start here. So qala izandla. Libe thatha ukuncibikala kancane. Then yeah. This was very quick. Because the ice has only so Lisa since the dishes on the fridge. So now wash easy. Then ngihambe ngiyolifaka erumini yami nje. namhlanje ngiyi-1 ne uMandisa usecaweni. So ayikho into engizohamba nayo leli fridge. I'm gonna perform magic. Magic. Thatha le fridge liye next door. 1 2 3 4 5. I'm sorry guys, magic didn't do the trick, so I'm gonna move this fridge myself. So as I was moving it around in Lini, I thought, man, it's light, I can move it myself. Then here I am trying to be my man, moving the fridge. Sheba. Oh my gosh, finally angwanga. So yeah, I'm safe, thank God. Yabona ukujwayela ukuzenzela izinto. Ngabe ngike amakhelane nganokho ngacela bangibambise ifridge, but no, ngobani ngifuna ukuba indoda, ngifuna nje ukuzenza indoda yami. Hlupha lana ukuzenzela izinto. Buka manje angikwazi ukucela usizo, and it's not like bengekho umuntu la emqashweni bebekhona. I just decided nje ukuthi hayi ngizozenzela, let me not bother people. Okay, so angizama ukulifaka kahle la endaweni, and yeah, ngazathi liyanyakanyakaza, so wasn't sure ukuthi inkinga ikephi. Lagcina lilungile ifridge, lahlala kahle kwiposition enganyakazi. So yeah, so ngisase microwave yami ngizoyibeka pha efridge. Yep, that's me. Engikwaziyo nje ukuthi on the following day idubulo zokuqukula angizozizwa shem. So yeah, manje sengizobuyisela into zami efrijini. Yeah. Hayibo, ifridge yasavaleki, angisakhumbula ukuthi yiphi into beyikuphi. So now I'm frustrated. Come on, be with me. Ngiyabanda nje amanje. Okay, this is me trying to figure it out ukuthi yiphi engenaphi khona kuzovaleka ifridge. So I kept on trying. So now let's see. Well guys, still incorrect. Yabo manje ngiquestiona ukuhlakanipha kwami. Like, what the F? Okay, let me try again. Ngeke kodwa ngihlule into engakhulumi ngimdala kangaka. Danko. Hawu, sesingasokolisa ifridge. Come on, man. amanzi la ngoba qedela ugesi wami bolo gesi ngokuthi 17 uka 100 rand njalo ngokuthi 100 rand lo. Oh, I have to remove this also. Mara ngibona ngathi angeke isabuyiseleka ngisathatha amandla, guys. Stay tuned for part 3, the final part. See you next time.